Ajiwi kamataya paubing. Community leaders pingwewang Ukhrul COVID-19 vaccination advocacy meeting sa haira. COVID mimau yukhui kawai Ukhrul amazing namaste na khangajon mi haira. Ajon thang ngaya curfew lungli jat kasami khanili Ukhrul police na tukhui haira. Churchandpur police na lupa lakh thumkadawi zam tukhui haira. Lay khayang thor ajiwi pau Chungsangla Jajo ina pami dalai ajiwi pau mai sai na nganangramsa Manipur li COVID-19 we are recap khawai lungsan lak aina mass vaccination kasa hili yari na mathamai da hengsang khawai kothong John khawai community leaders pingli ngahot the COVID-19 vaccination advocacy meeting sahaira Meeting Chi State Health Society NHM Manipur aina Ukhrul District Administration District Health Society na Thanda Aya DRDA Hall Mini Secretariat Complex Ukhruli Sagahaina. RIMS with Community Medicine's Head of Department Professor Dr. A.K. Brojan Aina COVID-19 Community Engagement and SNO RKSK and ASHA NHM with State in Charge Dr. Jubilee Wahengbam Anina meeting with resource person Samida vaccine kakap we kan kanakala pap magada khale maisa aina pejithe haira da hanga 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency with MLA Alfred K. Arthur la meeting jile zangda Tangkhul COVID-19 vaccination we maramli Tangkhul nauping district kataili pantam aka vatlak aina leidalai kala arihon hi ogatwi hoptana phaya da sada khaleji kashur atam na da hangsanga.
The reality for me as a human being, this is my constituency. In most of the things I lead, because I am the leader, I have been chosen to lead. But in certain things I follow. For example, like vaccine. I don't have the technical know-how. I can assure that even the medical experts that are here today, they also do not know the in-depth research that has been put into this by the brightest minds in the world. Achieving the highest standards about He's a man of God. Last 60, 70 years practiced our life. Just a man Why? Because he's the person that is the expert in that line.
COVID-19 vaccine maramli magapa social media li ngayawzada kap ngai da leg sabing la magap thu kaji leida Alfred K. Arthur na hangsanga Kala yari saikora na arichi kap khawai kasat kasang ay nang soda medical team na sami da kalailila ningashi pongshok mi haira. Ukhrul wi DC Joseph Pauline Kamsom nala machuk nganaupam laga atam bashiman haisa. Saikora na COVID vaccine kap khida mimau hili ngasung shap khawai sasada meeting chile hangsanga. Ukhrul CMO Dr. Kapangring na NHM Manipur ena District Administration le chithada meeting room khami wewangla ningashi pongshok mi haira. Ukhrul District li COVID-19 vaccination awareness ki ajiko mui June tarik makada jishat aina hapok kahaina kala ari rashang da awareness game abam magada phangali rung mi haira da Dr. Kapangring na hanga ariri meeting maga shikali vaccine kap mi haira kala Ting hang jishat kashung kawai rindalei kajihi Dr. Kapangring na hang jithaya. COVID-19 ari kakap hi thangajida aver market phungretang Ukhruli khalem aina curfew atam hili kap midalai. Atam na ngathor pung thara aina ngashun pung mati aina tangda rungmira. State facilitators on COVID-19 community engagement and RKSK consultant NHM Pilazan Shangna kahang atishurda chikatha community leaders we meeting chi local level enala tampakwi district ping kala kapungwi headquarters pingli savasera da hangdalaya India aina northeast nganai mai khawai ningrin aina kasem amazing namaste Facebook page with team na COVID mimau yukhi khawai li khangajon sada lamka kakching Havlong kala Ukhrul wi Shorkar Arishangli oxygen concentrators Kanirip Mihaira Hangda Kalehi Bombay Stock Exchange wi Chungsangla Kamina Havlong li PPE finer kala kids shaka kala N95 marks shapanga Guwahati wi hotel Novotel nala donate sa haira da Ukhrul Times wi pau na hanga. Miss Manipur 2019 AR Matingna Amazing Namaste with guest speaker Akasada Ukhruli Kasak Kavat Kalay Maramli Amazing Namaste li ngakauda Chithada Achiwi donation Legacy Zaksada Ngajon Kamina da hanga. Amazing Namaste na Ngajon Kami Chili Ningashi Pongshok da Ukhrul with Chief Medical Officer Dr. AS Kapangring da AR Matinglila Chithada Ningchang Kahai Otsa Kami Wewang Ringapa Ningashi Taraka Pongshok haira. Achontang ngaya curfew lungli zat kasami khanili Ukhrul police na tukhui haira. Achontang Friday ngaya pung chiko makhai atamli Ukhrul Higher Secondary School Wino Bazar pamli police li ngulungkui thamlaga attack sada khani chili tukakhuina. Police li attack kasahi china khare maningla zimik show khani gathum mamanglila Hundung Junction dila police officer akhali attack sada sadza gahai ochot la shock haina da Ukhrul Times wi Pauli Sampanga. Curfew Mushurla zat kasaje parung now Tarashok pi aungshi aina Saikor now pumshim ani khani hina da hanga. Anili police na saklak aina hang matin laga chiho haira. Sub Inspector Ung Mahai Merchang na kahang atishurda Ukhrul Downli police na ara dundun shanshan atam kachida yang zat talay. Ukhrul Town li khaligasa ochot la police na yang sangda suita mai haira da hanga. Kala kashoy kakai masho kawai police na yari wewang yang sang kamili rijum now pingwi kakatom henga sangla darkar saya da merchang na hangsanga. Churchanpur police na lupa la katum gadawi zam tukhui haira. Ajontang Friday thang Churchanpur police na Churchanpur wi mantop laikai li house raid wasak laga Lupa la kutum ban kadawi zam tukakwina. Inspector N Dhangzamon na Thanda police team na Laisram Ranjan Koho Zingum Tumrada Kadiwi mi kala Zingum Hangmatida Taruk Kagahai Nongtombam Pasanta Koho Ani Kanini wi Shimli Vayangda Zam Yur Ngataday da Kachunka Laikasana. Sam Kabang Zam Pingchi Press Aina Media wi Mangali police na Hitisar Haira da Hanga. HAC Chairman MLA Leishio Keshing Nathanda Medical Team na Lungpu Khuli Aya Mass Vaccination Drive Come Awareness Room Mihaira. Vaccination drive chili lungpu wi richum now shaka makada matina COVID ari kap kakui sampanga. Former ADC Somi Mayor Awungshi aina Phungyar SDO KG Daikong la COVID awareness came chili katom mida wayang sangli zanga. Lungpu wi COVID awareness come vaccination drive chili ponda masks hand sanitizer kala lui khawanau pingwewang knapsack pump sprayer la yaumi haira. Kasom Kolen Subdivision Students Union Athanda Kasom wi Kuung Bingli COVID vaccination awareness ranye kwika phokhaira. Ranye wi khare facely hongbay bohoram aina itham Kuung gathum hili ayawa pai haira da hanga. Kasom wiwang COVID vaccination awareness kwika shoki Kasom Primary Health Center wi medical team zangda rungkhamina. Vaccination awareness ayawi face khare ranye chili former ADC Thota Shanglai nala Katom mida sharokhui mi haira. COVID mimau nga khawai shorkana chiz khami atishurda total curfew haida khlai hili hunpun hangu ungnau pingna kagotom vaw shok haira. Chithada sada hunpun lay hali leida khalai richum now psychorana shongfu koreli mazat papa paimara dukan mashomi paimara kala yari ashangva magazi paimara kachihi hunpun village authority na jizami haira. Ayang zinwi report atishurda Ukhruli COVID positive bi katum sampangli haira. Town Hall Screening Center li mi hangmatida kutum test kasali khani positive sampanga. District Hospital Screening Center li mi tharada aka test kasali aka positive sampanga. Hamli Kong contact tracing mi thara mayotang contact tracing li kutum da test kasali positive majang samana da DSO report na hanga. COVID second wave karahili Ukhrul district li ari rashung da COVID positive sampang hi aya wi guthum jizang da shajishat ka shung haira. Color Arishang aina COVID Care Center li COVID ngaha ka sami matili aya discharge sami haira. Ararui District li COVID kazam hungda khalaimi hang turukda khani leida aya ngazin DSO we report china hang jithaimiya. Ajewe kamadaya pawbeng nganangrom lishitsa. Community leaders pingwewang Ukhrul COVID-19 vaccination advocacy meeting sahira. COVID mimau yukui kawai Ukhrul amazing namaste na kangjon mi haira. Ajon dang ngaya curfew lungli jat kasami khanili Ukhrul police na tukui haira. Churchandpur police na lupa lakathum gadawi zam tukui haira. Ajewi pau hian ningchang haira nganada claim tum zai korali so kamiya zimik shong sa serana.